In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp chat. So if you turn on end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp backup chat, so that when next you want to restore it, you will be able to use your encryption keys or use the created password to restore this chat. So this video is going to show you how you can turn this off. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do here is open the WhatsApp app, click on the settings icon at the bottom right, then you want to scroll down. Click on Chat. Then on the Chat page, you should see Chat Backup. Then click on it. So once you click on that, scroll down and locate end-to-end encrypted backup. In my own case, you can see this is turned on. So if your own is turned off, that is to tell you that the end-to-end encrypted backup is turned off or disabled on your iPhone WhatsApp. So you can see I have end-to-end encrypted backup turned on. So in your own case, if you have end-to-end encrypted backup turned off, that's to tell you that you don't need to turn off the backup again. It is already turned off. Now to turn off the end-to-end encrypted backup, just tap it, then locate turn off. Here you'll be prompted to type in the password you created when you were setting up the end-to-end encrypted backup. Otherwise, choose I forgot my password. Then type in the password. After that, click on the next at the top right. Then you should see option to turn off end-to-end encryption for your backup on WhatsApp. Click on turn off. Then encrypted backup, your backup is no longer end-to-end encrypted. Then tap the done button to proceed. That is if you see the end-to-end encryption is turned off. So that's how to turn off or disable end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.